Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Tech Fox here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or delete Cursor AI from your Mac OS. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so first of all, you have to open the Finder from the bottom menu bar, and here you have to select the Applications folder. If you can't see this folder over here, then you have to click on this Go, and from here you have to choose Applications. And now you have to find the app named Cursor, and now right click on it and choose Move to Trash. Now you have to open the trash and then click on this empty option and choose empty trash. That's it. We have successfully deleted, removed or uninstalled Cursor AI from our Mac OS. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.